Why is it that so many women say, I don't trust anyone anymore? Is it men's fault? Society's? Or something deeper inside the human mind? Today we'll uncover the real psychology behind women's trust issues. Part 1. The Wound of Betrayal. Emotional betrayal leaves deep subconscious scars. Women remember emotional pain longer due to higher empathy centers in brain. Limbic system. Example story: one woman trusted too soon, got hurt, and her brain now warns her every time love appears again. Part 2. The Fear of Vulnerability. Trust means emotional exposure, something many fear after heartbreak. Modern culture teaches women to be strong, but not how to heal. Psychology. Hyper-independence is often a trauma response. Part 3. Modern dating and mistrust. Dating apps, ghosting, emotional games increase anxiety. Relationships feel transactional. Many women subconsciously protect themselves by avoiding deep bonds. Part 4. Childhood and attachment roots. Attachment theory. Women with inconsistent parenting often develop anxious or avoidant attachment. This plays out in adult relationships. How to identify your attachment style. Part 5. Healing and rebuilding trust. Practical Stoic lessons. Don't control others, control your response. Healing doesn't mean forgetting. It means trusting yourself again. Self-respect is the foundation of trust. When you trust yourself, betrayal loses its power.